To help you get started on your literature review, I'm going to show you how to search for information. If you'll go to the college website and go to the Houston Cole Library, you'll see on the page you can search right here. And since we are searching for issues in children's literature, I'm just going to go ahead and type in diversity in children's literature. And this will be how you can find articles for your lit review. Now, of course, I'm just a guest. I can log in and get the full access, so I'll just do that real quick. I always do it this way. I don't know why. I should log in first and then search, but I always just do it this way. And so it says, it shows you all of the diversity in youth literature, but see, that is a book. So I don't need a book. I don't have time to read a book on the issue. So really I'm just looking for academic journals, and this sounds interesting, addressing religious diversity through children's literature. Now this is not in America, but it could still be interesting to read. Diversity, evolution, and children's, that's interesting. And so I can just go here and click it, and it'll show up. And from there I can download it or print it. And that way I can save it and look at it later if I think this is something that will be useful for my paper. I save a lot of articles and then go back and look through them to make sure and see if there's anything that I can find useful and pull from them. So just going through and looking, and you can get more specific about, see, I just did a keyword search. You could do a title. Oftentimes if I find an article and it cites another article, I'll go look up that article and I'll have the title for it. But to start out, you're just kind of going in blind and you don't have any titles. So that's just you know, how you can find articles for your lit review. I hope this was helpful, and good luck.